All right, I'm sitting in the Dino and just fired it up. I'm getting it ready to go home. So I just want to make this quick video just to show. It's about 80 degrees today, so I'm gonna run the air conditioning just to show how this all works now that it's all happening. Air conditioning is really basic. It just has a temperature control knob here on one side and a fan speed on the other. That's all it really is. So all you got to do is just kind of turn it on, and I'm going to turn it on full blast. The engine's a little cold, so you can heard the idle drop just a little bit. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to rev it up a little bit just to get the compressor kicked over, and we should start seeing the temperature drop a little bit. So the funny thing with a Dino is that center vent is kind of where all the air conditioning comes out of. You can feel a little bit coming around, and it kind of slides. It does the other two kind of bleeds off a little bit of air, but that center one is kind of dedicated to the evaporator. So you can see the temperature starting to drop now. Is it going to keep it cold in 90-degree weather? I don't know. I mean, that's kind of like what we're going to have to see. But you can see it's dropping pretty quickly. So we've got like 52 right now. The irony to all this is that it cools pretty quickly when it's cool out. But what's going to happen when it gets when it's hot out? But you know, this air conditioning is kind of like the way. This is what we're testing, is to see how cold we can actually get it. But I have it on full cold right here, so we'll take a look, see what she does. You can see that the car temperature is still really not up yet. Yeah, I just started cold, but it's cooling. Now it's down below. It's below 50 now. Obviously, got to make sure that all these things are kind of closed down, so you don't get any extra heat coming in from the defroster or any of that stuff, because that's going to fight you on the heat. But yeah, so this car is about ready to go home. I've had it for a while, did a bunch of work on it. We just kept improving it. Got the correct radio installed, got the suspension rebuilt, air conditioning fixed. So yeah, this is looking forward to sending it back and getting the customer to kind of use this car a little bit. See where we are now. Okay, now it's dropping below. It's 48 degrees. That's not bad. So what I got to do now is just I just need to get this car cleaned, washed, and ready to go. So let's see what happens. So I had to come to work today, 4th of July, to wash it and get it ready. I was hoping to get it picked up on Monday after the holiday weekend, but the truck driver called me, and you know, in this business, on this side of the business, it's a 7-day-a-week job. I mean, truck drivers drive all the time. They're never home. So whenever I can help them, I'm happy to meet them and help them out. So he asked me if he could pick it up on the 5th, which is part of a 4-day weekend, but I said sure. But that meant me coming to work on the 4th to wash and prep this car. So she's ready to go, and just got to wash it and get it cleaned up, last minute touch-ups, make sure everything's working. I always have that one little last minute worry that something's not going to work, or just double checking it one more time. But ready to go home and another season of driving. So sad to see it go, but also happy to see it go. Make some room in my garage and wait for the next one to come in.